There's lots of changes there, hey? Looks one that we expected. JP Peterson has been coaching well as interim coach. He is now confirmed as head coach going forward, and I think that's well deserved. They've changed up things a bit in their coaching, assistant coaching staff. Dave Williams, the tech coach, is stepping aside. He's taking up another position at the union. Called general manager, overseeing quite a lot of the structures there. He's kind of doing what Neil Powell was doing. Neil Powell now looks to me like it's a relegation to very much a junior role, looking after the under 20s and under
Wow.
19s and so on. Yeah, yeah. So I mean, at one point he was the man in charge at the Sharks.
Yeah.
He was
Yeah.
the director. So it looks like he's gone down the ladder to the juniors. The Dave Williams being replaced as an attack coach by a guy well known in Durban and in Kimberley, Scott Matty. He was actually a very accomplished coach at Griquas a couple of years ago, where they did very well under him. He's currently serving under Sean Everett at Edinburgh. He's the Edinburgh attack coach. Yeah, he's highly rated. He's a Durban boy, went to Durban High School. He played, I remember writing about him quite a few years ago. He played about 40 games for the Sharks as a very good little scrum half. So Scott Matty will now be the attack coach. And then an appointment that I think is quite exciting at the very top. They have a new position called Chief of Staff, which I'm not really, I'll still find out exactly what that entailed, but it's...
That's the White House.
Yeah, it's a US owned business up there, eh?
Yes, yes.
And, yes, exactly. Well, yeah, quite. I assume it's kind of like a CEO type role, but Rory Duncan will be in that position. Okay. So in the olden days, the Sharks used to poach Free State players, Cheetahs players. Now they're poaching their administrators.
Yeah.